mind reading it with me?
Hi.
Hey! What's your name?
Kyle.
I'm Michelle.
Nice to meet you.
This is my dog, Indy. Indy. Indy, come here. Hey, come here. Come meet my friend Kyle. Oh, stop it. How was your summer? Weird. No weird summer? How was it weird?
Because I have a sister named Miles.
Oh, sounds awful. What was she like?
Well, she always calls me Miles for some reason.
Miles? Does she not know your name?
Yeah, and she's always like, you can kill me.
You're gonna be a star.
And also, she keeps on stealing this dog. And
You
saying
steal your
that-
dog?
No, she steals your dog
My dog.
and then says, I want to kiss you.
Oh, please, this is my dog. Right, Indy? Indy, sit. See, I control her. She's a million.
Oh.
What are you doing?
No, we just met. We shouldn't be talking about that.
Okay.
Multi-Miles 101 for all your YouTube fun.